Llandegfedd Reservoir, located in South Wales, is a stunning site known for its picturesque beauty and diverse recreational opportunities. Situated near the town of Pontypool, in the heart of the Brecon Beacons National Park, the reservoir covers an impressive 180 acres and provides a vital water supply to the surrounding region, including parts of Newport and the Vale of Glamorgan. The reservoir was constructed in the 1960s to help meet the growing demand for drinking water in South Wales. It took several years to complete, and today it stands as a testament to engineering prowess, with its dam, which is almost 30 meters high, serving as a key feature of the landscape. The area surrounding the reservoir has been carefully managed to offer a mix of natural beauty and outdoor activities, making it a popular destination for locals and visitors alike. The reservoir itself is a haven for water sports enthusiasts, offering opportunities for sailing, kayaking, and fishing. Its tranquil waters also make it an ideal location for birdwatching, as the area supports a wide range of bird species, including waterfowl, herons, and migratory birds. Visitors can often spot swans gliding gracefully across the surface or ducks and geese gathered along the shore. In addition to water activities, the reservoir is surrounded by an extensive network of walking and cycling paths, offering stunning views of the surrounding countryside. Whether you're enjoying a leisurely stroll, cycling along the trails, or simply relaxing by the water, Llandegfedd Reservoir provides a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. The reservoir also plays an important environmental role, with several conservation efforts aimed at protecting local wildlife and maintaining the area's biodiversity. Over the years, the reservoir has become not only a key resource for water management but also a cherished natural retreat for people seeking both recreation and a connection with nature. So, whether you're an outdoor adventurer, a nature lover, or simply someone who enjoys scenic views, Llandegfedd Reservoir offers something for everyone. It remains one of South Wales' hidden gems, a place where natural beauty and human engineering meet in perfect harmony.